Here you can select the specifics of your account. You can either pick a spot trading challenge or an instant funded leverage account. In the spot trading account balance section, you can choose from 10 plan options depending on your expertise. On the left is the account balance you will receive to trade with, and on the right is the one time payment you have to make for the purchase. For example, you can receive an account balance of 75,000 rupees to trade with, and you give a one time payment of rupees 599 for this balance. Moving on to the plan types, in a one step plan, you just need to pass one challenge to qualify for funding. In a two-step plan, you will need to pass two challenges to qualify for funding. We have covered details about challenges in the next video. When you start earning profits after getting funded, you can choose to keep up to 100% of your profits. But if your split is 80%, that means you keep 80% of the profits you make. Reward days are when you get your share of the profits you've earned from trading. You can choose to get your profits as early as every 7 days in your bank account.